Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. If you want to get some notifications, hit that bell and we'll let you know when we got some new ones coming out. Today we're going to do some grilled stuff. This is again going to be part of our Cooking 101s, and we're going to do an alternate grilling method. I know a lot of people don't have an outdoor grill, or you're snowed in, or you're in here in South Florida and you got a hurricane, but you still want to have some grilled stuff. We're going to do a different method. So we've got some of these grill pans, and you can get those anywhere, or you can use a cast iron pan or whatever. But I've got one of these grill pans. Let me show you what these look like. You know, something like this. Flat side on the other side, but just go ahead and heat those up. You can put those right on your stove. Let them get hot, and you can grill right in the house. So let's just get started. I'm going to go ahead and prep up some vegetables, and we'll get those going. Got some shiitake mushrooms, and we're just going to cut the stems off that. And we're just going to toss this all together, nice and easy. We've got some of these little baby peppers, which I love. They had some baby carrots, so we're going to do a couple of those. Yes, grilled carrots, awesome. Really anything you want to eat, you can just about grill. Grilled lettuce is one of my favorites. I started doing it for my son. He loves it. So we got some scallions. We're going to go ahead and just clean those up a little bit. You want to do regular onions, do your regular onions. Like I said, you know, whatever veggies you like, go ahead and grill. So we're going to go ahead and, like I said, just clean these up a little bit. Good to go. And we can toss all that together at the same time. We're going to do a little bit of zucchini and squash too. And I cut these long, partly because they're pretty, and partly because they're easier to flip. All right, we'll save those for later. And now, to get these ready with the veggies, I like real simple. So I'm just going to do a little olive oil. We're going to do some salt and pepper, and I like just a little dried oregano. You want some Italian seasoning, or you want some anything else you like, go ahead and use. But this is what I like. Like I said, a little salt and pepper, and good to go. And we're going to give these a little toss. And then we'll just get them on the grill. All right, so we've got our grill pan just heating up here on the grill, and we're going to do the same thing we would with a regular grill. We're just going to give it a little brush down with your grill brush, and then we'll just give it a little wipe. And again, this will just get rid of all the little dust and stuff, so that doesn't get on your veggies. So, like I said, we're just going to put these on, and we're just going to grill them. And again, you can eat them raw, so they don't have to be super cooked, but cook them however you like. I like a nice color, so that's what I look for. So we're just going to get those going. You know? Throw our scallions on there. You do everything all at once. You can do them slow, however you want to do them. And again, look at that. This thing works like a champ. And that way, again, if you're snowed in, or if it's raining, or you just don't feel like going outside, or if you're like me and you run out of the gas on the tank, and they just cook up beautiful and fast. And we're going to get a couple of these going so that we can oh, look at those carrots. And now the carrots you're going to want to cook a little bit more, but they get so sweet, you're not going to believe it. That might become your new favorites. And look at that, the scallions are beautiful. Our shiitake mushrooms, look at how they're grilling up. Gorgeous. Got your peppers are going to be soft and roasted. Look at that, beautiful. You want to give them the crosshatches, give them the crosshatches. I think with the veggies, I like just straight up like that. You know, when they start being done, then they're done. You'll feel those peppers getting soft, and then you know they're ready. And again, same thing with the mushrooms. These are about there. We're going to pull those off. Oh, look at those gorgeous onions. Maybe we should do these last couple of zucchinis and squashes. Perfect. And then just about the time these are ready, well, look at that. Gorgeous. That might need another flip over there. It's okay. But when they're ready, pull them off. Then I'm going to let those carrots go a little bit longer because they do need a little time. Look at that. And you let that grill get nice and hot, and it doesn't take long at all. Look at that, perfect. They get a little char on them, and like I said, they're going to be cooked through, and they're going to be super sweet. Nothing to it, just do it. So there we go. And the beautiful part about cast iron is it basically cleans itself. So let's go see how this looks. All right, so we're back here. We got our veggies. Beautiful, beautiful. And like I said, you can just arrange them on here any way you like. Mix and match. You know, but this is a beautiful start to a dinner. We'll just let these lay, you know. However these play out. Like I said, however you want to let them play out, and they do. You want to finish them up with a little balsamic syrup, a little balsamic glaze. This is one of my favorites, just like this. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. We got some grilled veg, another method. Enjoy, let me know what you think.